And 1 year ago, right now, we had 0 COVID-19 cases in the city of Lubbock. All that changed overnight as the first person tested positive here in Lubbock County. This week, we've been hearing from our healthcare professionals about what it has been like inside our hospitals this past year. KAMC Matthew Stell is here again with another powerful conversation.
Yeah, Lauren, we consider them heroes. They say they were just doing their jobs, but it hasn't been an easy one this past year, and looking back makes them wonder how they even got through it. These two doctors love what they do, and when COVID-19 found its way to the South Plains, they tried to be as ready as any physician could be.
We'd already had plans to create a specific COVID isolation ward so we wouldn't have any cross-contamination or people coming in with COVID that could infect other people.
As an infectious disease physician, I had a responsibility not only to take care of the patient, but also a responsibility to protect our caregivers.
What they didn't plan for was running out of masks in only a few weeks' time.
As we all know, at one point we didn't have enough PPE, so we had to create our own.
Even as we were told to do our part to flatten the curve, by the summertime, case numbers keep getting higher, and in the fall, what doctors hope wouldn't happen does.
We would oftentimes get multiple patients into the ICU at the same time with just as ill, only one physician taking care of those patients. So you've got to really focus in on getting the patient better immediately and to try to fix the immediate problem to save their life or get them stabilized.
Covenant becomes overwhelmed with patients, and the hospital has to resort to treating sick people in medical tents.
And it was a non-stop daily barrage of critically ill patients. It was like having a tornado come in, injuring people every day for 9 to 10 months.
It tested their skills, but also their faith. But thankfully, after the holidays, we saw a dip in cases and less beds being used for COVID patients.
We, learned how to, use our mask properly. We got used to wearing masks. All the precaution measures, social distancing, hand washing, that played a huge role.
And with more and more folks getting vaccinated by the day, these doctors say after what was the toughest 12 months of their careers, there is now light at the end of the tunnel.
We're hoping that the trend continues as such, and I think we'll have some clusters of cases that we can hopefully control. Our goal is to get out of the pandemic phase to where we can go back to the normal daily lives.
Once again, thank you to those doctors for taking time out to speak with us. You'll be able to watch today's and Monday's conversations with Covenant over on our website, everythinglubbock.com. Lauren?
Thank you.